In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your PayPal link to get paid and receive money seamlessly. Whether you're running a small business, freelancing, or simply need a quick way to request money from friends, having a PayPal link can streamline the process. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the PayPal website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL or searching for PayPal. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually located in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on it, which will lead you to the sign in page. Now here comes a crucial step. Enter your registered email address and your secure password. Make sure your password is strong, combining both letters and numbers to protect your account. Once you've done that, hit the login button. This will take you to your PayPal dashboard, the central hub for managing your transactions. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Pay and Get Paid. This section is essential for accessing your payment functionalities. Look for the Accept Payments area and click on Request Money. This selection allows you to initiate a request for funds from others. Next, you want to look for an option that says More Ways to Request. Click on it and you'll notice an option called Share Your Personal Profile. By selecting this, PayPal will generate your unique paypal.me link, a customizable payment link that simplifies receiving payments. Once your link is generated, find the share icon located next to your profile or link, click on it and then choose Copy Link. This copy function is useful because it lets you easily paste the link wherever you need it. Now it's time to share your link. You have multiple options here, whether it's through email, text messaging, chats, or even social media platforms. Choose the method that you think best suits your needs and is easily accessible to the person or group you're sending it to. If you want to make your link more personal and memorable, you can customize it. PayPal allows you to create a custom handle or username associated with your link. You can also enhance your profile by adding a location, a short bio, and even a profile picture. These personal touches can add a level of professionalism or friendliness to your paypal.me profile, depending on what you're aiming for. And there you go. By following these simple steps, you've not only generated a paypal.me link, but also personalized it to your liking. This link is now ready to be shared, making it convenient for anyone to send you money quickly and securely. Enjoy the simplicity and efficiency of PayPal transactions, and happy requesting.